Today, I'm going to teach you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that can save you tons of time when creating schedules, tracking projects, or managing any kind of time-based data. Let's jump right in and explore the different ways you can automatically fill dates in your spreadsheet. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your available documents and files. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on the spreadsheet where you want to autofill dates. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new spreadsheet to practice these techniques. Either way, you'll want to have your spreadsheet open and ready to work with. Now let's start with the most basic autofill method. To autofill dates automatically, type in a sample date. For example, enter 1/1/2026 in any cell. Once you've entered this date, click on the cell to select it. You'll notice a small blue circle appears at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is your autofill handle. Click and drag this blue circle downward or across and watch as Google Sheets automatically fills in consecutive dates, increasing by 1 day each time. This is the default behavior and works perfectly when you need sequential daily dates. But what if you need dates that increase monthly instead of daily? This requires you to establish a pattern first. Start by inputting your first date like 1/1/2026. Then, in the cell below it or next to it, input another date like 2/1/2026. This creates a monthly pattern that Google Sheets can recognize. Now highlight both of these cells by clicking and dragging over them. Once they're selected, you'll see the blue circle appear at the bottom right corner again. Drag this blue circle down or across, and Google Sheets will recognize your monthly pattern and autofill the dates accordingly, increasing by 1 month each time. This method is perfect for tracking monthly reports, billing cycles, or any recurring monthly events. The same principle applies if you need to autofill dates by weekly intervals. Again, you'll need to create a pattern first so Google Sheets understands what you're trying to do. Input a starting date like 1/1/2026. Then in the next cell, input another date like 1/8/2026. This establishes a weekly pattern since there are 7 days between these two dates. Highlight both cells and then drag the blue circle at the bottom right corner. Google Sheets will now autofill dates that are exactly 1 week apart, which is incredibly handy for weekly schedules, recurring meetings, or weekly project milestones. And that's it. You've now learned how to autofill dates in Google Sheets using 3 different methods: daily, monthly, and weekly. The key takeaway is that Google Sheets will automatically increment by days if you start with just 1 date, but if you need any other pattern, you simply need to provide 2 dates as examples. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.